Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Now in this video it's just going to be a quick simple video just to announce the winner of the giveaway. So at the beginning of the month I did a video saying this were £133 gaming PC. It has a quad-core Xeon inside and a GTX 960, and I built this thing for £133, and I said to you guys, you know, help me out, spread the word, improve my business, share the video and get subscribed and leave a comment, and you were entered to win this PC. It is now the 31st, so at the end of the month obviously. So we're going to quickly jump into YouTube random comment selector, so it's all done legit, and one of you guys is going to win this PC. Now if you live close by, you can pick this up, or I'll post it out if you're quite far away. If you win it, you win it, guys. I wish all of you the best of luck. I know many of you don't have gaming PCs. I know some of you commented that you wanted this for a little brother or little sister, or you know, little ones, you know, who ain't got much money. Which I kind of hope it goes to one of those guys. There will be more giveaways. I'm gonna do one a month. The response I've had out of doing this is unreal. So my sales has gone up. It's still not enough to live on, guys, my side business, but it's getting there. Really excited about it. I'm enjoying it. I enjoy communicating with you guys when you come to buy stuff. I don't get as much videos up as I plan to because I'm busy, but I hope you know that when I'm not making videos I'm busy. But I will do one PC giveaway a month. To just show my appreciation, guys. All PCs I do is covered by the profits that I make, so nothing's out of my pocket really, guys. It's basically when you guys buy stuff from me, you generate the giveaways. Enough from that, let's go straight into the YouTube comment picker and pick a winner. Okay, so here we have the video, and it did really well. Like I said, I had a lot of responses and a lot of comments. And I truly do wish I could give each and every one of you a gaming PC, but I just haven't got the funds to support it. So me by doing one giveaway a month, you know, is my way of trying. So let's get to the giveaway. This is a YouTube random comment generator. I just paste the link in here, and it's all done by a bot. So I wish you all the best of luck. This is gonna randomly generate one of your comments. And the winner is that's just a lot of comments. The winner is Joshua Shadje. Congratulations, Joshua! You've just won yourself a gaming PC. I'll leave a comment on your comment and contact me, and we'll discuss on how to get it to you. Congratulations, my friend. So I just want to congratulate Joshua Shadje, if I'm pronouncing that properly. I don't know if I'm doing that properly, but I'll leave a comment on your comment, Joshua, and you just comment me on Facebook with proof, obviously logged into YouTube, because I don't want multiple people saying that you're you, and we'll sort out collection for this PC or delivery. That's fine. There will be another giveaway up shortly for the next month. I have got hold of a 4930K for a really good price. Actually, these things are still going for like £150, which is a crazy price. I managed to pick one of these up for £70. We've still got an Alienware, so we're going to lob it in there with a water cooler and get these things overclocked. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks for the love and support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.